Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I'll be doing Macy's haul, and it is specifically some skincare items that I bought, skincare and makeup, but specifically the Shiseido brand. You know, like in Macy's, you have to keep checking their website. Like most of the time, they will have all these mini packages, these packages that have all this mini stuff. That will be available for much discounted price, so and a lot of sale going on all the time on Macy's website, so that's why at that time I got this. So this is the first package I got, this one, and then along with that I got another. This is the beauty box, and this one actually was kind of free. I mean, not free. This was something that when you purchase certain item, you will get that free gift, but then you have to only pay $10. So if you pay $10 extra, then there were like beauty boxes that were available. So I selected this beauty box. I think there was one which was just skincare, but since I had already got skincare stuff, I got this one which was like eye stuff, like eye care stuff. So I will show you all that. So first let me show you the first one, and I don't experiment too much with like skincare stuff, but since this is known to be such a good brand, I wanted to really try. I have an organic brand that I try, like I've been using for a long time, and I do rely on that a lot. I go back to that all the time, so I'm going to give this a try. So I got this in this box. There was this one, and I don't remember the price, so I didn't like throw the receipts. I had kept my receipts here, so I know what I bought. So this one was available on sale, and I don't know how much it retails for. It retails for a lot actually. This was the discounted price. This is a 4-piece. You're not going to find this on Macy's website right now, because they have, right now I saw that they have like 5-piece and then 6-piece sets. They don't have this 4-piece sets anymore. I got it for $42.50. So with the sales tax it was $46. So the total was $46 for this. And it has 4 items in it, 4 of the items. So I haven't actually removed it at all. Like you can see, it's all like packed still. So I'm going to remove that and show you guys right now what all are the items in this. So let's open that up. So this set I got, there were like 1 or 2 sets available, like 4-piece sets like this. I don't remember the other one that was available. I wanted to, I got this one. This is the Defy Time Age. Defy Time Age. Oh, it's written here. Why am I looking there? Defy Time, the Age Defense Set. So it has, so I'm just reading from the back here. It has a clarifying cleansing foam. It has treatment softener enriched, and then the Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24-day cream, and the Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 intensive eye contour cream. So it has a day cream, it has a contour cream, eye cream, and then the softener enriched. Softener enriched, I think, kind of acts like a toner. I think it's a toner. And then the cleansing foam. So it has 4 of them. So you can see how it looks. It says the Shiseido Ginza Tokyo Defy Time, the Age Defense Set. And it says its SRP price is $50, but it was $71 value. On this it says $71 value. I don't know what is SRP. You always see MRP. I don't know what's SRP. And it says SRP $50, and I got it for total $46 with the sales tax. So so it has 4 of them. Let's open. Should I open it and see? Okay, let's open the box. Oh my god, I probably should have got, actually let me show you the other set, and then I will open all of that. So the other set I got, now this is also Shiseido, so I'm doing all specific Shiseido stuff. I'm going to open this in a minute. And this one I got, because let me show you what I got actually, and that has a different receipt here, so I'll tell you how much I paid for this one. So this had three, it was a set of three things, and it had this other skincare product of Shiseido which was not there in my 4-pack, right? So this was $40. So with the tax it was 40.80, so with the tax it was 44.17. So that was the price for these three. So these three came together, and this, I'll show you what was in this. Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. So I got this one, and I mean in this set, this is the first skincare that was there. So now this one is not there in the other set. So that's the reason I was like, okay, I selected this particular set to get. So that's the first one. So it's like, I think like a moisturizer. Oh, it smells so strong. Okay, so that's one in that set, and the other two, this one is a lipstick. Now again, I did a haul on the Shiseido lipsticks, like my swatches and everything on the Shiseido Power Mattes. That's what this is called, right? Yeah, the modern matte powder lipsticks. So that set did not have this particular shade, so that's why, like, this was also perfect for me to get. And this shade is called, this is such a beautiful shade, like an everyday shade. It is called the Semi Nude 508 Semi Nude. So this one is the semi nude color, and really nice everyday color, very similar to MAC Persistence. Yeah, it's very similar to Persistence. Little more peachier actually. This is a little more peachier than MAC Persistent. So really nice color. Should I show this? Watch it. See that? Oh my god, so pretty. So that is the semi nude. So the third item was this one, which is the one that I wanted to try. This is their crystal gel gloss gel crystal gel gloss. So this is kind of like gloss, and I'm not a gloss person at all. I don't like gloss, but this is like very kind of like very, not, I don't know, I can't say sticky also, because it does not irritate me though. It's not like that sticky that your lips will go together and you'll get irritated. It's not like that at all. I do like it. I have already tried it, and it is very good to apply in the middle, like, you know, in the middle of the lips, or even if you put it over the lips, it does not spread. That's what I've seen. Like if I'm going to put any liquid lipstick or any lipstick and then put like a gloss, I would think like it's going to spread everywhere, and it's going to make my lipstick like really like thin out my lipstick, right? So I may not like that, but this does not make you feel like that. It kind of sticks on it, and then it gives so much shine to your lips. Should I try now? Maybe let me try. So this is how it looks, like that, and then you just pull it up, and then it has like, so since I've already tried, you can see some lipstick on there, but it looks like that, and you can squeeze it and just put it on your lips. I'm going to try. So when you squeeze it, see that a tiny liquid comes out, and a tiny drop, and then you can just tap it like that, and I don't know if you can see it. Like that glossiness to your lips. Those are the 4 products that came with it. So the first one is a clarifying cleansing foam for all skin types. So that is what it is, for all skin types. And then the second one is I actually need to go look how to use these things. I mean, I know the foam and cleansing and all how to use it, but this particularly this thing I don't. I'm thinking it's like a toner, but this is the treatment softener enriched lotion. So that's what this is. 1.75 ml. It's a 75 ml bottle. It has a little bit of the liquid inside. Looks a little bit pinkish liquid. So that's how the bottle looks. And I'm just trying to see how it is. Oh, okay. So I guess you have to just take it in this thing and then put it like a toner. I think. And then let's see this foaming cleanse. Yeah, there's not much smell. It smells like flower. Okay, so that's the foaming cleanse. And then this one here is the Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Eye Contour Cream. So this is the eye contour cream. So yeah, so it's just like that, like a tube. Eye contour cream to put around your eyes. And then this small tiny one, I don't know what this is. I'm sure I'll finish this really fast. I don't know why that liquid is so much, but then this one is like these are so tiny. Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Day Cream. It's like a light pink color. So that's how the cream looks inside. I have not tried any of this. Crystal gloss and the lipstick were the only two that I had actually kind of tried and seen how they look. So the beauty box I got was this all about the eyes beauty box. So this is what I got. So this was $10. For $10 you would get certain things. So this is the pack I got. So this has a pouch and then 5 things inside it, and it's all about eyes. So it has all eye products in it. So I actually showed you guys that I received even from Ulta. I received those mascaras. I got 2 of them. So even in this pack there's a Lancome mascara, but this is a different one. So there are 5 products. I'll show you one by one what all they have. So they have this had the Lancome Monsieur Big waterproof mascara. Probably this is the same. This looks different though, but it looks like the same name. I forgot what the Ulta's the free birthday gift one that I had got. I don't remember what name that was, but I do like that mascara a lot. It's really really nice mascara. 5 mini products. Still, if you include the pouch, you're kind of paying less than $2. So that's why I got it. So that one, there was a mascara, and then there is this Purity Make Simple Eye Cream. So from Philosophy, sorry. And it just has this tiny mini eye cream. So a good way to try all these different brands, I guess, if you get it like this. So that is one. And then there is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharge Complex. All these are minis. They're so cute. So these are really nice to give them a try and for travel. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Look at that. It's like a tiny box. Really pretty. So that's another eye cream. And then it had this Bare Minerals Prime Time Eyelid Primer. Thank God, at least this is a primer. Because I already have so many eye creams, I'm not even using them. I only use my organic one that I have. But this one, like I only use the oil kind of stuff. But this one is the primer. Eyelid primer from Bare Minerals. So it's all different brands, like you can see. It's a good way to try it. And then this is the Girl Lactic Precise Eyeliner Marker pen. So let me, and yeah, it's like this felt tip pen. Look at that. felt tip pen. So it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in it, and then you get this pouch, and it says Macy's because it's made specifically for Macy's. It says Macy's inside the pouch there, and on the top it says all about eyes. So I like the pouch very much too. Really cute to carry your makeup and stuff, right? Not that I don't have pouches, I have a lot, but I still got it. Okay, so that's all guys. I just wanted to do the haul because I haven't tried. I'm going to try this new skincare and see if I also can look as beautiful as those Korean, Japanese, Chinese girls, because I really love their skin. Their skin is like so flawless. So thank you so much for watching guys. See you in my next video.